Hello everyone. In this video, we'll check whether the given relations are reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So before studying, let us recall what was reflexive relation. The reflexive relation was the element relate with itself. Okay, that is, say A, comma A belongs to R for all A. Okay, for all A belongs to the given set. So that means we must have 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, and 3 comma 3, right? We must have 1 comma 1, then 2 comma 2, then 3 comma 3. Because we have only 3 elements, so we must have these 3 elements. Then we can say the relation, any relation is reflexive. About these 3, say 1, 2, 3, 4, another 4 is there. Then we must have again 4 comma 4. Okay, if these 3 are there, then any of them can be said as reflexive. So let us check out. So here we don't have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So it is not a reflexive. Okay. Let's go for the symmetric. What was the symmetric relation? The symmetric relation was A comma B. If A comma B belongs to R, then opposite of this one, right? Opposite of this one, B comma A must be there in the relation. So in this case, what we have 1 comma 2, right? The opposite of 1 comma 2 is 2 comma 1 is there. Okay, so from here we can say this satisfies the symmetric relation. Similarly, for 2 comma 1 it will be 1 comma 2. Now for 1 comma 3 you have 3 comma 1. Similarly, opposite of 3 comma 1, 1 comma 3. So all of the elements satisfies the property of symmetry. So we can say the P relation is a symmetry relation, right? Now let us check about the transitivity. See, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. What we have? 1 comma 1. Do we have any 1 comma 1? No, we don't have 1 comma 1. So it is not transitive. So ultimately, this relation P is a symmetric relation only. Now for S, let's check the relation S. So first of all, reflexive. So we don't have element 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2. If we had 3 comma 3, then it would be a reflexive relation. But here we don't have any 3 comma 3. That's why it is not a reflexive relation. Let us check out symmetry. So obviously, whenever 1 comma 1 is there, opposite of 1 1, again 1 1. So it is satisfying the symmetric property. Now opposite of 3 comma 2, 2 comma 3 is there. They are opposite to each other. And 2 comma 2, opposite of 2 comma 2, again 2 comma 2. So satisfied. So from here we can say that this one is a symmetric relation, right? Now check out the transitivity. 1 comma 1, is there any element begins with 1? No, we don't have any element begin with 1. So from here we can say that it satisfies the transitive relation. I already told you about transitive relation. If you have any doubt, so just go through the transitive relation video, you will understand. Now 3 comma 2, we have, take this 2, we have this first element 2 here, 2 here. So 3, 2, 2, 2, ultimately 3 comma 2. Good. So it's satisfying with this transitivity. Next 3 comma 2, 2 comma 3. If you consider this 2, what will have? 3 comma 3. But this 3 comma 3 is not present here. If this is not present here, that means it is not a transitive relation also. So what we can say, the S is a symmetric relation. Okay. Now about this relation, third one, R. So first of all, reflexive relation. Do we have 1 comma 1? Yes, we have. 2 comma 2? Yes, we have. 3 comma 3? Yes, we have. So these 3 elements relate with itself. So we can say this is a reflexive relation. Okay, this is a reflexive relation. Now let us check for the symmetry. 1 comma 2, opposite of 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. Do we have 2 comma 1? No, we don't have. So it is not a symmetry, right? It is not a symmetry relation, not transitive. Take this element, okay, and check out whether there is any element begin with 2. Do we have any element begin with 2? Yes, we have this one, we have this one. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, ultimately from this here we have 1 comma 3, right? 1 comma 3, and it's present here. Good. 1 comma 2, then 2 comma 2, we have 1 comma 2 present here. Okay, so this one satisfying the transitive property. Okay, this element satisfies the transitive. Next, you take 1 comma 3, 3, right? The element begin with 3, this one and this one. From here, this 2, ultimately 1 comma 3, 3 comma 2, we have 1 comma 2. Do we have 1 comma 2? Yes, we have this one. Then 1 comma 3 with 3 comma 3, we will have 1 comma 3 is there. So this 2 satisfies the transitive property. Similarly, check out 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 3 is the element first, 3 is the second element. Take this 3 and check out other element which begins with 3, this one and this one. 2 3 2 3, ultimately we will have 2 comma 2. Do we have? Yes, we have this one and this one. 2 3 2 3, ultimately we will have 2 3. Yes, we have. So from here we can say this 3 satisfies the transitive property. Now next, 3 comma 2 with 3 comma 2 you take and pick these 2 element begin with 2, this one and this one. Okay, so 3 comma 2, 2 comma 2, ultimately we'll have 3 comma 2. Yes, we have. Then 3 comma 2 with 2 comma 3, we'll have 3 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. Ultimately we'll have 3 comma 3. So this is present here. Okay, so from here we can say that this element also satisfies the transitive property. Okay, similarly 3 comma 3, take this 3, any element begins with 3, this one. So 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 2, ultimately we'll have 3 comma 2, this one is there. So this is also satisfied. Now 2 comma 2, pick this 2, then this one. 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, ultimately we'll have 2 comma 3, this is done. So this all are satisfying transitive. Now 1 comma 1, take this one, any element begins with 1, this one and this one. So this 2 will give you 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 is present here. Then another this one, right? This one and this one. 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3, ultimately will have 1 comma 3. This is also present here. So this one also. So from here we can say that this relation R is a transitive relation. Okay, is a transitive relation. Moreover, this one is a reflexive relation. So transitive plus reflexive. So ultimately we can say R is a transitive as well as reflexive relation, but not symmetric relation. So similarly, you can take any element like this, you create any relation and check it whether that relation is symmetric, transitive or reflexive. Okay, thank you.